gang glitter. Big chain glitter motivate my niggas.
Yo, big up yourself, you know. This is Lord I, the Dad from the Dad's Life YouTube channel. And obviously today's video is not about hair. It's about the jewelry collection. Everybody has been asking me about the jewelry collection, the chains, the bracelets, the pendants, just what I've been wearing. So I say, you know what, let me come and share with the channel the jewelry collection. So these are some of my favorite pieces. People always see me in the pictures wearing them, but this is them now in real life, laid out, and we're going to go through them. So big up yourself. Let's start with the chains. So with the chains, I brought out the 18mm big boy Cuban. Everybody been loving the Miami Cuban. They're the hottest ticket out now. Everybody want to wear them as the chain, so I brought out the big boy 18mm Cuban. I also have a 13mm Cuban and a 10mm Cuban as well. Sticking with the vintage theme, I have rope chains as well. So I have the 5mm rope chain, the 3mm rope chain, and the 1mm rope chain. They're all in sterling silver. I also brought out my rose gold chain. Most people know me for the rose gold chain. I wear it a lot. I actually just rested it. I'm bringing it back out now. This is 10K rose gold chain in the bullet format. So it's a bullet chain, but it's rose gold. Everybody love it. It was what I wore most of the time back in the day before we get into the Cubans. So that's just like a starter chain. I also brought out my 1mm beaded yellow gold chain. That's what I wear some of the yellow gold pendants on. So that is basically the chain so far. With the chains, with the big Cuban, if I wear the big Cuban, I don't wear no other chain with it. It usually drowns out the other chains anyway, so I don't wear no other chain with it. But if you're wearing the smaller Cubans, you can wear one or two together. Also, with the rope chains, you can wear one or two together, sometimes even three, because the size is very small, so they don't look really gaudy on you when you're wearing them. I just brought out a couple of bracelets anyway. I brought out the big Cuban. This is the 25mm Cuban. Very big, huge. Everybody always love it. If you wear it, you don't have to wear no other bracelet. I also brought out my 10K tennis bracelet in white gold and my 10K rose gold bracelet. Yo, those bracelets, they get a lot of attention. Very blingy, very shiny. Those are the ones that you wear to the club, wear to the big parties, that kind of vibe. Yo, and this one is a very unique piece. This is the rubber Cuban from Marc Jacobs with the rose gold tassel. People ask me about it all the time. People say to me, yo, it's a rose gold bracelet that, it's a rubber bracelet that, and then they didn't know it was from Marc Jacobs as well. Marc Jacobs make jewelry. You guys need to check out their line. They're dope. Things like this, unique concepts, and always look out for them. So yo, that's basically a broad view of the bracelets that I wear. Let's go into the pendant. This is my favorite pendant. Everybody know this. This is the Dad's piece, the name, the brand, the logo. So you know you have to rep your set. So this is the Dad's piece, my favorite chain. I wear it on all different occasions, all the time, barely take it off. Typically when I'm wearing it with the 1 ounce Swiss bar, the Lady Fortuna. This is supposed to be in Chinese religion or whatever. It's supposed to be good luck for wealth. Everybody hearing about them now, the Swiss bars, people collecting them, look out for them. I also brought out my 14 karat diamond cross pendant in yellow gold. And everybody know I love Versace, so I got the Greek key in 14 karat gold as well, just to rep Versace, and you don't know. That's one of the simpler pieces I have. Alright, let's move on to like the earrings as well. I brought out the 14 karat Medusa head earrings. in yellow gold. I also brought out the 10 carat rose gold earrings, his halos, studs, and these two come from one of my favorite brands, Berico. Berico make a lot of stuff in fine metals and man-made stones like Swarovski crystals. These are some of their bigger stones. They make rubies as well as they do work in Swarovski crystals. So if you look on them, you get value for your money. It's not things that gonna change. It's not things that don't last the test of time. Some of them 5 years old, still look great, still wearing, still going on strong. Alright, now let's get into the rings. So with the rings, everybody know I always rep Versace. This is the Medusa head in sterling silver. It's the pinky ring, very big. It's noticeable. People notice it all the while. People ask me about it. Always repping Versace. You know, you have to rep the link, rep the brand. Alright. And this is the filigree ring in ruby. So you don't know the big ruby stone. Why they call it filigree is because it's an ancient style of making jewelry that you can see straight through it. So if you look on it, you see straight through. Vintage rings, you don't know. Also I have the Rolex ring, the pyramid style. The pyramid is where it's on the sides it's going up and in the middle it's round. So this is the pyramid style Rolex ring. And everybody that know me know I have the pharaoh on the back of my arm and the Eye of Horus on the front. So this ring has the Eye of Horus on the front and the pharaohs on both sides. If you look, very detailed ring, very unique. This is in stainless steel. This is my rose gold pinky ring, 14 karat rose gold with the diamond stud. And these two rings is my only two yellow gold rings. My yellow gold diamond pinky ring. And this is my ring that I think this is one of my oldest rings. Mom got me this ring. This is plain Jane, no stones, no nothing. But really 14 karat gold, quality ring, lasts the test of time, over 10 years old. So basically that was the collection, guys. I went through it, the chains, the rings, the bracelets, the pendants, everything. So you don't know, if you want to see more collection videos, you know you have to like and subscribe. And always, as usual, remember to go on Instagram and follow me, The Dads Lord High. And remember, this has been the Dad's Life YouTube channel. I'm Lord High, the Dads. Big up yourself every time.